Hi everyone, this is Miss Willis coming to you from my at-home studio. Today I'm going to show you how to draw eyes, like eyes on a face. What you're going to need is a pencil and some type of piece of paper, unless you're using Google Drawing, in which case you'll just need your computer. Follow along with me as I show you how to map out where and how to draw eyes when you're drawing a portrait. I'm excited to see what everyone draws and sends to me or to Miss Joy, and I hope everyone's staying safe at home. The first thing you're going to do is draw a horizontal line, and then you're going to divide that line up into 3. So your eyes are going to go in these 2 spots right here. What I like to do is start with a circle. Why is that? Well, what is it? It's an eyeball. So your eye is a ball in there. Once you have that circle, then you're going to draw from that inner tear duct to the outer edge, from that inner tear duct to the outer edge, kind of an almond shape. Then you'll put in your iris, which is also round. It's about 1/3 of the way in from your tear duct. That curve right there, 1/3 of the way in from the other side of your eye, 1/3 right there. And it's going to kind of graze the bottom of that eyelid right there. Then you're going to put your pupil in the center of that. Again, a round ball, it's dark. Maybe you leave a little open space where the light is supposed to be hitting your eye. Next thing that's going to happen is that you will get some eyelashes. And they curve out away from the inner corner of your eye. Same thing's going to happen on the bottom, but those bottom lashes are going to be smaller. At this point in time, you can erase that circle you started with, and that's going to be your one eye. Now, you can do the same thing on the other side, starting from your tear duct, go out to the edge, from your tear duct, out to the edge. Draw your pupil, your iris, and draw your pupil. You get eyelashes after that, top and bottom. And then erase those initial guidelines that you started with. Sometimes I like to put a little shadow into the corner of that tear duct. And that's all.